how to create a watermark video on Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to put a watermark onto your generated video from Canva, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to canva.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account from any of your browser, or if you have app, then you can also log in from there as well. So once you're inside your home screen, as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now just choose any of the random videos if you have already created one, and if you haven't created, you can just select this video option over here and just choose any of the template, or you can just get started with your customizable new video as well. So for now, I'll simply choose any one of these video over here, which is for free. So let's say I choose this one over here. So as you can see, I've imported my video over here. So for this video, or for this example, I'll simply choose any one of these only clip so that I can make it short and sweet. And let's say I want to add a watermark throughout the video. So what I'll be doing is I'll simply drag and drop this cursor over here to the starting point so that my watermark starts from beginning to the end. And let's say I'll simply tap on T button from my keyboard, which will automatically put a paragraph or text in onto my body or video over here. So I will simply type in, let's say, my channel name, just like this, or you can also type in your personal name as well. Just type in anything which you want to create a watermark for or watermark from. Now I will simply enlarge it, or you can also change the font size from over here. So you can just adjust it accordingly. So you can basically adjust it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be in the center. So in this video, I'll just be using it in the center. So once you do all of that, now just head over to this watermark transparency option over here. As you can see, there is a transparency, which is a checkbox or check mark icon. So simply select it, and from over here, just slowly drag and drop it to wherever you feel like it looks like watermark, just like this. And you can just readjust the position of your watermark, and you can just paste it over here. And as you can see, my whole video has been quoted with that particular text. So if you ever want to change the length of the text, you can simply cut it out from over here, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.